Hey guys, welcome back to the show. This is Kong from Outdoors. Today I'm doing something that's going to save me 300 bucks, and maybe you guys can do the same thing too. It's not too hard to do. It's basically swapping carbs. That's the new one. Well, that's the new one. That's the original one. That's the OEM, and that's the aftermarket. It's not a perfect match, but I'm going to swap some things around. I'll show you guys what I do. Okay, so some of you guys might ask, why don't I just rebuild this thing? Well, I've already rebuilt it 4 times. Every year requires a rebuild, it feels like. And I got kind of tired of it. So I said, I'm going to go the different route. I'm just going to buy a brand new one, just slap it on. When it got here, I realized it wasn't the same. So that means we have to transfer some parts from the old one to the new one. It's not a big deal. I'll show you guys what I got to do. Okay, so this is the original one. This is the original Mercury 9.9 4-stroke. And what I got was this. This, I think I paid $79.89, somewhere around there. For this one, for an authentic one from Mercury, it was like $400 something. So I decided to take the chance and go. Immediately right off the bat, you can see that there are some differences. So for the top, there's this, and there's nothing on this side. And from the bottom, you have this, and this has got a screw that's blocking it off. And on top of that, you have the plate here. It's got a big hole. This plate has no hole. But everything else looks pretty much the same. So in my theory is these are very common carburetors that are used for everything. So should it work? Yes, it should work. We just got to swap over a couple components, and we should be okay. So what I got to do is I've already checked the holes here are the same diameter front and back. That's not the problem. Problem is this throttle plate has a hole here, but this one doesn't. So we're going to swap that over just to keep things original. The bottom, same thing. It's got this piece. This is different. I'm going to swap that over. This is just 3 screws on the bottom. And also the top piece is that right there. And we're going to swap that over as well. I don't even know if we have to be honest, but we're going to do it anyways. Yep, that's what we're going to do. Okay, guys. Everything is where it needs to be. And it looks really good. Bolts right up. Kind of test fitted it already. Got the front. Here's the air box. And little gasket. Fits right up. Actually, really good fitting it. Let me go put on the motor and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, welcome back. She's in. It looks pretty. I'm gonna kind of verify proper operation of everything first. So before we do all that, here's your main fuel line. It's in there. Make sure you got the clip on there. This is the extra juice for cold starts attachment for the ball. That's the ball. So push that, it squirts extra fuel into the engine for cold starts. And we swapped that plate out because we need that feature. These engines are real hard to start when it's real cold. We got the choke right here. We pull that. That's supposed to work. So that's in. That's good. We got the throttle. Here's the throttle. It is a tiller. So we can turn that. See, that's on neutral. When that's in neutral, right here, this is what tells you you're in neutral. When that's in neutral, this basically bottoms out on the screw right here. So this screw bottoms out on that plate. This screw will set the idle, okay? That's very important. And this screw sets the choke, okay? So it sets the choke throttle plate, I think. We got another screw that's in there, way over there. You can see him hiding over there. That's a new screw we don't have. I'm thinking that adjusts the air fuel ratio. So we'll look into that, and then we'll let you guys know. But it shouldn't really affect just starting it and idling. So with all being said and done, we could prime the bulb now, and we can start it. So give me a second. Let me see if we can start this. All right. So since it hasn't been started in a while, It is a little tougher to start, but we'll give it a shot. She runs! All right. Okay, that's my idle. And so far pretty good. Probably need to jack up the idle just a little bit. Yeah, of course it's always raining every time I come out here. It's never a nice day. Never a nice day for us. We're always dealing with the elements. So far the engine runs decent. I feel like it's not up on power though. I feel like it's a little down. The RPMs are pretty good though. Up to 5,400 RPMs. That's turning a big prop. I did hit a rock on the way out, so the prop's kind of messed up. That might have something to do with it. But overall, you know, really happy with it. This is not cool though. I chipped that pretty hard. That's not good. That's definitely not good. You guys are wondering, does the jack plate still work? Yeah, it still works. Still works, guys. Jack plate still works. Alright. So, runs pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Actually, I feel like it runs a little bit better than what was on the motor originally. So, I give it a thumbs up. You know, you have to kind of mess with the tuning a little bit, but there's a bunch of good videos online that shows you how to do that. So, I'll let you guys watch those videos. I'm not going to bore you with that. But I just want to say this Amazon. I actually got this off of Amazon. Links down below to this actual carburetor. Big thumbs up. Big thumbs up. All right, guys. Hopefully that saves you guys a couple bucks. See you guys out there.